It was early one morning. They kept his body in the ground over the Sabbath, which was a customary that they didn't do anything on the Sabbath day. So he died Friday afternoon at 3 o'clock and rose up real early Sunday morning. Now I want to settle this question while you're here this morning in this sunrise service. Many people says, how comes then that he said that he was in the grave 3 days and nights? He never said he would do that. He said, within these 3 days will I raise up my body. See, now the reason he did that is because David had said one place in the Scripture, I'll not leave his soul in hell, neither will I suffer my Holy One to see corruption. And he knew that corruption set in the human body after 72 hours, 3 days and nights, and sometime within that 3 days and nights, God was going to raise him up. So he died on Friday afternoon at 3 o'clock and rose up early Sunday morning.